about this confidence syndrome. I mean, we will always like when you have the stuff to talk to, you know what to talk to. But when all of a sudden, when you see so many people, I don't know. I mean, what happens is the butterfly in the stomach. How to get rid of it?
Mhm. See, it is something which happened to me a lot. As whenever I see like a lot of people, see, if you know my story, growing up, I was introvert, shy, reserved kind of person. And whenever like people used to come to me, even though it is in a group such as 5 people, 10 people, I used to feel that butterfly effect. And
Yes.
when it comes to that, I am talking, then it's a next level, like next level butterfly effect. I used to just shiver like anything. So see,
Yeah.
this is something
And
which.
throat also gets choked many a times, I feel.
Yes, yes, yes. I can completely understand that because it happened to me. So see here, all you have to do is you just need to change your mindset. Okay, I change my mindset, and as a result, I get overcome from that. Okay, I overcome from that and that butterfly effect. And as you told me that your throat choke, right? So you will get rid of it. So see, whenever you are interacting with people, let's say that you are talking with 20 people, 30 people. So how many people you wanted to interact with Priti?
uh, I want to interact with as many people as I can, but the thing is, it does not happen all the time now. There was a time,
Hmm.
like you said, I was also doing the same thing.
Hmm.
Even with a single person, I had difficulty, but then it got sorted out gradually. But then I started talking to many people. I mean, then sometimes I feel that still, when maybe I feel that somebody is better than me, or I don't know what kind of pressure I have. Sometimes I am speaking like now I am speaking. I don't have any butterfly in the
Hmm.
stomach
Hmm.
now. But
Hmm.
sometimes I don't know. This is just only that I am the people listening to me. Maybe
Ha,
depending
ha.
on the audience, I get pressurized.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
don't know, but please help me out with
Yes,
this.
yes. So see, here you told me that now you are not feeling anything, right?
This
So
time I'm
what?
not.
Yes, yes. So what happened is that whenever there is a lot of pressure on our brain, that okay, I want to go and I want to perform, I want to speak in front of people, and especially the people are authority than us, especially the people are from higher management. We feel into our mind or we feel into our like heart that okay, they are more experienced than me, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
as a result, we get nervous or we get a butterfly effect or we feel that okay, if I will speak something wrong, they will catch me immediately,
something
right?
like that. Yeah,
Yes. See, it happens. So here, what we need to do is, and what we need to focus on is that everyone is imperfect. Okay, everyone are perfectly imperfect. See, we are human beings, right? We are not a robot. So
yeah.
other,
Whatever you say, actually, I keep telling it this to my mind, but I don't know. Still, I think I
yes.
need more uh,
Yes, yes, yes,
practice, maybe.
yes, yes. Don't worry about that. See, here, what happened is that we have that, oh, I'm talking with higher management people. Okay, I'm talking with more experienced people. So we become very much self-focused about what we want to speak. Okay, that whatever I'm speaking or whatever language I'm using, I don't know it is right, or maybe I'm speaking the wrong way, maybe my tone is not good, maybe I'm getting stuck in between. So what happened with us is that we become so much self-centric. Okay, we just focus
Yeah.
on ourselves, that oh,
But
how I'm
some people,
speaking.
like, even if they are making lots of mistakes, they are so confidently
Yes,
doing it that
yes.
you will not get them. And I feel
Mm-hmm.
that I make less mistakes, but still I have that pressure. I don't understand this.
Yes. So see here, what is happening is the people, like they are making mistakes, but still they able to express. Why?
Huh.
Because they are not focusing on themselves. They are focusing on people. They are focusing on providing value to people. Okay, Miss Preeti. So what happened is that whenever we focus on ourselves, that okay, how I'm speaking, oh, I think so this idea is not good, or I'm not speaking properly, or I'm lacking somewhere, or my language is not good, this and that, n number of reasons, n number of excuses,
Yeah, that
right?
sounds awesome actually. That is
Hmm.
something which I never thought about.
Yes.
Just because I am self centric and I'm not
Hmm.
thinking about,
Huh.
I do want to give, but I am
Hmm.
so stuck in me
Yes.
myself that
Yes.
that all my attention goes here only.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, so
thank you
that is
so
something
much.
which you need to overcome, which you need to turn. Okay, so from you to you need to focus on your audience. You need to focus on your listener. Okay, so
Thank you
let me
so
be
much. Thank
so
you
let
so
me
much.
be very honest with you. So whenever I need to present to corporate meetings, like corporate presentations, as I am a corporate trainer, I present to a lot of corporate people. I train them for public speaking skills, social skills, and their communication skills. When I am practicing for me, for myself, then you know what, I get stuck so many times. Okay, why? Because I am self-centric that time. Okay, when I'm practicing it for myself. Okay, let's say that tomorrow I have a presentation, so today I'm going to practice it. So what
Yes.
happened is that I get stuck so many times. I start speaking, I get stuck, I think that okay, I'm not speaking it properly, or I think that oh, I'm making mistake. But once I start giving presentation to in front of live audience, then I don't stuck, then I don't have anything into my mind that oh, I'm speaking properly, or I'm getting stuck, or I'm not pronouncing the words properly, anything, nothing comes into my mind. So see, what happens is that whenever I am practicing some presentation, that I am self-centric. I am focusing on myself, and as is I couldn't present, as is I couldn't practice it effectively. But when live audience come in front of me, that time I speak incredibly. That time my entire focus in on my audience. My focus is not on me. My focus is on my audience. So here is what we got to do. We got to shift our focus from ourselves to people. We always need to think into our mind that here, I am here to provide value. I am here to share my ideas. I am here to share my opinions to people. That's it.
Thank
I
you.
hope.
Thank you.
Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yeah, at least to me. Thank you so much.
If you want to connect with me personally and want to become part of my inner circle, inner community, then I would highly recommend you to connect with me on WhatsApp. Here is a number. Please go ahead, connect with me on WhatsApp and attend my free upcoming workshops on public speaking skills, communication skills, social skills, and business workshops. And on top of that, if you want my various courses on all these skills, then please go ahead, connect with me on WhatsApp and just grab the opportunity which I am providing you through my various courses, which is absolutely free for you. Please go ahead, connect right now.